Hello everyone, and welcome to the Quick Start tutorial series brought to you by MecSoft Corporation. In this video, we'll show you how to download and install FreeMILL, the free milling plugin for VisualCam. As the name suggests, FreeMILL is a completely free milling module without usage restrictions. There is no cost, no time limit, no license, and no file output size restrictions. You can use it as long as you like to program your CNC machines. Being free, it is also restricted to one very useful cut method, 3-axis parallel finishing, which you can use to program both 3-axis roughing and 3-axis finishing operations. FreeMILL is also supported by over 300 CNC post-processors that are included with the program. If you are unfamiliar with FreeMILL, you may want to watch the FreeMILL demonstration video to understand its ease of use and machining application. Here are 3 important facts that you need to understand before we go through the FreeMILL installation process. The first is that MecSoft CAM products are built on a plug-in technology. This means that they require a host CAD system to operate. The second is that FreeMILL is just one of the modules included in the program. The third is that FreeMILL is available as a plugin to 3 different host CAD systems, including MecSoft's own VisualCAD, Rhinoceros, and SOLIDWORKS. The SOLIDWORKS host CAD system is a 3D modeling program offered by Dassault Systems. VisualCam, which includes FreeMILL, can be downloaded from the MecSoft.com website. In this video, we will install FreeMILL by installing VisualCam for SolidWorks. Okay, let's get started. To download and install FreeMILL for SolidWorks, first go to the MecSoft.com website and select Download Free Software from the home page. On this next page, please enter your name and other requested information, including your product of interest. Be sure you enter a valid email address where you can check your email to receive a download link. We want the additional information on this form so we can call you after the installation and see how it went and if you have any questions about the product. Rest assured that we will not provide your information to any third parties. When you pick the Submit button, MecSoft will automatically send you an email with the link to download VisualCam with FreeMILL. If you did not receive this email within a few minutes, please check your spam inbox. The email link will take you to the Download FreeMILL page. Now select the Download Installer button that matches the CAD system that you are currently running. This will initiate the download. If your browser asks you if you want to run or save the download, choose to save it to your default download directory. Once the download is complete, go to your download directory and look for the VisualCam installer file that was just downloaded. Now you're ready to install the software. Make sure you have administrative privileges before installing the product. Double-click on the VisualCam installer file name. Follow the setup wizard to install VisualCam. Now, when you run SolidWorks, the VisualCam plugin with FreeMILL will load automatically. This completes the Quick Start tutorial for downloading and installing FreeMILL, included with VisualCam from MecSoft Corporation. For further assistance, you can visit the online help supplied with the program or visit www.mecsoft.com for additional tutorials. Thank you.